These stoves right here all have one thing in common. They all run on gas. So we're going to talk about gas around the camp. If I'm going to the woods Friday night, Saturday night, and part of the day Sunday, I'm going to probably bring me a gallon of Coleman fuel. But I'm going to put it in these little red bottles for my stoves and to refill my stoves. And when someone sees this red bottle, they know it is a fuel bottle. It's not water. Got a good tight seal on it, and you can hang them up. And normally what I do is I put them in my little storage hammock, away from the fire and the heat. If I need it, I'll go get my funnel and I'll fill the stoves up. But I keep that gallon of fuel over there by that tree, away from everything. Gotta be safe. Trust me. It's worth it. Get you some good fuel bottles. Safe camper is a happy camper. You don't want to go home the same way you went camping. Happy. Content. So safety first, y'all. No kidding. Y'all have a good day, and I hope y'all enjoyed this little short.